Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how I animate on Go Animate. So right now, this one is completely useless. It's literally just PowerPoint. Um, this one is also useless. It's just like this. This one is the most useless. So these two are the only two that's actually helpful. So yeah, I'm gonna make my new Kaya Gets Grounded. But today's episode where I like make a starter. Yeah, starter for the episode, and well, hope y'all enjoy. So yeah. Um Come on, load up, load up, load up, load up, load up, load up. Okay guys, I don't want you all to wait, so yeah, let's just okay, never mind. Um so yeah, I wanna make like a starter now. So technically we just like clear everything. I don't really know how we create a starter yet, but whatever. Alright. I'm making my second episode of Caillou Gets Grounded, even though the last episode was already created today. Or yesterday. I mean, it depends on when I upload this video. So, see how easy Go Animate is. In Go Animate, you can make your first video in less than 5 minutes. But I'm gonna take it but I take it too seriously. So, for me, it takes like, I don't know, 12 minutes, or maybe an hour. It's gonna take me like almost 2 weeks to make the movie. But anyway, delete. See this guy? He's doing everything by himself. I don't even have to animate it. They actually let you see, they actually let you show their actions. See? Eat pasta. See? Yeah, delete this whole thing. Delete. I'm gonna add my Caillou characters. Alvin Hung. Anyway. Um, you can actually search. He's 96. My God. So anyway. Um. You have to like click this thing a billion times so you can go back. Now let's create. Now let's create a new character. The mom, Tortoise. Doris. Wait, what the? I'm not gonna ask. Right. All right. I cannot wait to show you guys how I animate on this thing. So hard. I'm just kidding. It's not really hard. Not hard at all. Why is he facing that way? Back, 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 back. Come on, I'm waiting for the. Okay. Now, let's get Rosie. Sitting lol. Lol. Alright, now, here comes the fun part. Their voices. You know, mic recording, you don't even have to do that. I don't really know what these two are for. This is for like the already existing voice. Here's, you go for text to speech. Let's do this. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, let's eat. Okay, guys, let's eat. Okay, y'all probably couldn't have heard that because my computer audio is not on. Trust me, y'all will be. Now the funnest part, the attaching from the sea. Guys, if you heard something, then just ignore it because that's just my mom like complaining about stupid stuff. Literally complaining about something that I have nothing to do with. She's talking about. Did you see that latest CNN news? That where a 22-year-old guy got shot by by Louisiana police. Yeah, that's what she's talking about right now. She's talking on the phone, angrily talking on the phone with her sister, my auntie. I'm obviously not gonna say her name. All right. All right. But I'm running out of time to like upload a video. But I can make a part 2 if y'all like. No, I know Caillou's not a female, but Ivy is the best voice for him since he's like 4 years old. Dad. Ugh, what the heck? I like to say that. What? I don't like. All right. Okay. Sorry. Um. So yeah, you have to actually like find out what's like what they're saying in that thing. So yeah. That's what I always do. Hold on. Wait, I need to see something. All right. This is how I like to do it. All right. Oh, Adobe Flash. This thing is powered by Adobe Flash, but but just let you know, this is not Adobe Flash. Repeat, this is not Adobe Flash. I know, guys, I'm running out of time. I can only record the video for like 4 more minutes. Rosie's voice is Aslan. Alright, guys, this is like too robotic, but I can't hire anybody from. But I can record my own voice actually. Angry. Um, guys, just 2 more minutes. I have to hurry up. Rosie likes this food. That's why she's. Guys, I'm sorry, but I have to end the video here. Alright, part 2 will be coming in a few.